I have a garlic heat, which is my best seller, sweet and spicy, and a sweet and mild for those. I call them the wimps. They don't like much heat. It's not a hot sauce, it's not a barbecue sauce, it's an all sauce. I call it a gourmet sauce. I'm originally from East St. Louis, Illinois, born and raised. I moved to St. Louis in 2000. I'm a serial entrepreneur. Opened a chain of businesses. One kind of successful was called Pure Ultra Lounge. It was a bar and grill. And I come up with the chicken wing, a sweet and spicy wing there. After the club closed, after the bar closed, people kept asking for my wings. And I'm not a great cook, so I knew it was the sauce. So I started going around to local meat markets, local stores, and I said, hey, Schnucks would be my big go. When I get in Schnucks, I know I made it. I reached out to the CEO of the store, and coincidentally, he said, hey, one of my guys had been down to Soulard Market where you sell to the farmer's market and had already had your sauce. And he said it was a great product. And we ended up on an email chain from that point talking about getting the sauces in the stores. Almost every day I'm getting somebody to tag me in something on social media saying, hey, I was at, the U City store, the Bell Fountain store, or, one of the different stores, and they got my product. Somebody say, hey, I was in Columbia and got it, and Peoria, and that's a great feeling. It's on the shelves everywhere, my face. It's amazing. 1 year. I celebrated my 1 year anniversary last week. 1 year anniversary, and I'm in over 150 stores and 4 grocery store chains. So it's amazing.